Alright, what's up guys, it's Lana Cloud here and today and we're playing Final Fantasy Episode 3 of Lightning Returns 13, I think, but I already played this, but the Malgao glitched and I had to replay it because it was glitchy. You guys couldn't see anything at all. And I'm sorry about the audio in Episode 1 and 2. I didn't watch it over, but the audio is really loud so you can barely hear me, so I just changed it on this episode.
Your battle ends here.
Alright. I love this game so much though. Right here. I know what to do because I already played this whole demo, but I had to replay it because my workout was, like I said.
Chaos readings in the whole area spiked.
The source of the
Right.
Oh.
The chaos is powerful.
Lumina. This girl right here. I don't even know what happened. The last Final Fantasy I played was Final Fantasy 13 1 and 2. And the only thing I remember, like, I beat both games, and the last thing I remember was that Sarah, Lightning Slow's sister, died, and I don't even know what happened, like, why all this is happening. And for those who don't know what Sarah looked like, that's exactly what she looks like right there. Lumina looks exactly like her.
You can't be one of God's regular lackeys.
I don't know
can you?
why she's named Lumina, but it looks exactly like Sarah. Oh my god. This guy is such a pain in the ass. It takes like oh my god, it takes like 20 minutes to kill him. I already know. Skip. Didn't take that. Oh, I guarded. What the fuck? Alright. L2. We got this.
Savior's got a job.
Alright. And in the future, I'll do more commentaries, guys. It's just that I've been really inactive. I don't know, like, I haven't been feeling well. Like, my allergies are kicking in. It's like, it's really annoying. I'm sniffling everything. Okay, guard. Am I guarding? Sit down.
Time to mix it up.
We got this. Boom. There you go. Oh no. Okay. Oh, let's go with this.
Time to repent.
Oh, what? Why did that do anything? That was my phone.
Fight with everything you have.
Oh no. Alright, that was pretty good.
The end is close. The fight will be honest. Evil has a price.
Oh my god. Okay. No. I can't really do anything right now. All my things are like... Why can't you run? Oh no. Block. Boom, bitch. Alright. Let's go first. Boom. We got this. He's almost dead. Alright. Flash blow. Alright. The last time I played this, it took me, the first attempt I did, it took me like 10 minutes to defeat that guy. Dang. But now that I knew how to fight him, it just got a lot easier. Yeah.
Listen, Hope, I need more info. Can you analyze this
Oh no,
chaos
do
matter
we have to
for
fight
me?
these guys? Oh what?
I've been trying to do
Okay.
just that, but it's no good. None of my instruments will tell me anything. It's just too hard to see.
What in these rooms?
What do you mean?
I'm not sure. The sensors
I
know
love
it's there,
Lightning, dude.
alright,
I just love her.
but when they actually look into it,
Cinematic. Alright.
It's locked.
Jesus.
Can I force it?
that might be beyond even
Alright, I'll let you guys watch this.
Hold on a second. I'll see what I can do from here.
There's a lot of chaos building up back there.
Yes, indeed. And Snow's inside, or whatever's left of him.
Well, he has been living without hope for centuries. Now the world's about to end. He might have lost his mind entirely. If it were anyone else, I'd say that was a given.
Do you think it could have gotten to him, though? Broken even his spirit?
I hope not, but...
Light! You've been spotted! You've got to get out of there, now!
After coming all this way? I'm his last chance, damn it. I know what he's going through. The pain of losing Sarah.
That's true. If there's anything left of Snow, as the savior,
Right.
you're the only one who can rescue him. That's why you have to protect
I especially
yourself.
hate that Snow guy. He's annoying as AF, dude. He is so annoying. I don't like him at all.
Alright, fine.
He doesn't
Take
deserve
me back to the
Sarah.
Ark.
Hold on.
Oh wow.
So she'll understand
And this
his
girl,
pain?
see,
You
her
think
voice
she's
is
going to
annoying.
save his soul? Would you listen to this nonsense?
Jesus, shut up.
God turns her into the savior, and it all goes straight to her head.
Sarah wasn't this annoying at all. That girl's just annoying biatch. And that's the end of Lightning Returns Final Fantasy 13, guys. The demo, that is. Hopefully I can get the full version in the future so I can just play the whole series on my channel. And yeah, I guess that's it. But a little update, I left Reese sniping, I left them twice, and now I'm in Lonic Uprising. I left Reese for personal reasons, and I'm not gonna say anything, but I just left, and that's about it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next episode of whatever I make, and I'll just let you guys watch this till the end.
What are you waiting for, Lightning? You don't have much time left before the world ends. This is your last chance for payback.
Alright guys, this is the final farewell, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of whatever I make. See ya.